about is helping families, helping couples design their life.
As we have gathered together among our friends, I publicly wanted to let you know about the year.
If you don't get it, you literally don't get it.
Best time of my life.
Got it.
This has been one of the most amazing trips that we have ever taken. We've been to plenty of places around the world, but the mountains on this trip have been absolutely incredible, to be honest.
Beach is awesome. People are so fun. Food's great. Drinks are awesome. Having a great time.
I didn't even know this guy a month ago. Now we're on a vacation together, and I'm telling you, this is what, life is all about, is meeting amazing people, helping him fulfill his dreams, while at the same time fulfilling mine. So
I thought I had to be married and go on a honeymoon to do something like this, but as you can see, I am here enjoying this beautiful thing all by myself, and it is gorgeous. You should be here.
So just the experience with our friends and our family is just priceless. Don't miss the next adventure.
You should be here.
If you're searching for a life where you can be around people who can upgrade you and who can make you live life more, this is the place, this is the company, and this is the dream trip. You should be here. You should definitely be here.